The next item is a Union Pacific EMD E7A BB diesel set. This comes to us from Challenger Imports, made in Korea by Samhongsa. Each of the units are powered, they are factory painted, and the A unit has operating dual headlight, operating backup light, and lighted number boards. The B units have operating lights in one direction. It's a beautiful set. There's only 29 of these made. This is the last run from 2005. That would give you a demonstration of how it runs. And this is a rare set, being just one of 29 made, and we hope you'll add it to your collection.